Good morning, my dear students. So, this is your English class. First of all, write date and day on your English notebook. Date is 6th November 2020 and day is Friday. And on the first page, write sound of K. C-K, K. ठीक है, लिखना कैसे है? Firstly, read R, O, K, rock. You people will write here rock. S, O, K, sock. You people will write here sock. D, O, K, dock. L, O, K, lock. K, O, K, cock. Okay, so now we write R, O, K, rock. R, O, K, rock. Next is S, O, K, sock. S, O, K, sock. Next is D, O, K, dock. Write D, O, K, dock. Next is L, O, K, lock. L, O, K, lock. Next is K, O, K, cock. K, O, K, cock. Okay. So this is the sound of K. Read and write the sound of K. Write neat and clean and learn carefully. On the next page, we will do look at the picture and write correct sound. Okay, we have some pictures. You people will write correct sound for these pictures. In the first picture, we have rock. Okay, I am doing first for your help. So in the first picture we have rock, so I will write here rock. Okay, R, O, K, rock. Or look at the after that look at the next picture and write correct sound, next and next. Okay, so this is your today's work. Write neat and clean. Thank you, students. Have a good day.